Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change kilometers to miles on Waze. If you prefer seeing distances and speed limits in miles instead of kilometers, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the My Waze or menu icon, depending on your version of the app. Next, go to Settings and scroll down until you find General or Units, where Waze lets you customize your measurement preferences. Tap Distance Units or Units, then select miles instead of kilometers. Your changes will be saved automatically, and Waze will immediately begin displaying distances, travel estimates, and speed information in miles. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're using the latest version of Waze, as the location of certain settings may vary slightly between updates. After changing the unit, return to the main map and start a route. You'll now see turn-by-turn directions, remaining distance, and other navigation information displayed in miles instead of kilometers. If the change doesn't appear immediately, close the Waze app completely and reopen it to refresh the settings. And that's it. That's how you can change kilometers to miles on Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.